Despite its name, the so-called God Mode function in Windows does not unlock secret features but rather refers to a special folder that can be activated, and hence you can gain access to various administrative tools, restore options, and backups. Extended God Mode is a lightweight utility that does not only allow you to access this critical folder but also packs several other features that may come in handy. If you have ever tried to activate the God Mode folder, then chances are that you will notice that there are around 200 items to help you customize your computer usage. Depending on the operating system version and current configuration of your system, the idea behind the app is to make all these features even more easy to access, especially since they are displayed in a single interface and can be grouped and even add favorites. The application also integrates tools that you are likely to use when customizing the OS, namely the control panel and admin tools elements. Moreover, it provides a quick link to the classic God Mode in case you would like to double-check a setting that you want to modify. Given the nature of the tool, it goes without saying that it addresses advanced users who understand the modifications they are about to make as well as the consequences they have on the OS. A noteworthy feature of the tool is the search engine that provides a convenient way to look for various functions related to system, power, network, screen fixes, so on and so forth. Moreover, the program allows you to save your individual searches and create groups so that you can access all the desired settings faster. In the eventuality that you want to customize your operating system and cannot be bothered to look for all the settings using the standard search in the start menu, then perhaps you can consider giving Extended God Mode a try. See you next video.